In the blink of an eye, life can take an unexpected turn, a sudden swerve, a moment of inattention, and your car is no longer the same. That's why having reliable car insurance is crucial. In this video, we're diving into the world of American Family car insurance, exploring its coverage options, pricing, and customer satisfaction. Plus, here's the best part. We've also made it super easy for you to take action. Just head over to FreeAdvice.com to compare car insurance quotes effortlessly. No more hassle, no more confusion. It's a one-stop shop to find the insurance that fits your ride like a glove. So gear up and let's hit the road with confidence as we dive deeper into the world of American Family insurance. Your journey to top-notch coverage starts now. Let's get started. American Family Insurance started as Farmers Mutual Automobile Insurance Company in 1927. American Family strongly believes that protecting dreams is just as important as pursuing them. The company has evolved into the nation's 12th largest property and casualty insurance group with a presence in 19 states and a lineup of several companies. American Family is making waves in the insurance scene. While the company's rates may not be as low as the budget-friendly options like Geico and auto owners, it shines in customer service. American Family has the lowest volume of customer complaints among the major insurance companies. That's right, fewer headaches and more satisfaction. You can also choose from a variety of American Family auto insurance options, including the Miles My Way pay per mile plan, gap insurance, and even rideshare insurance for all the Uber and Lyft drivers out there. And that's not all. You can also get a diminishing deductible, new car replacement coverage, accident forgiveness, and even SR22 filing if you need it. If this sounds like your kind of insurance, or you're just curious to explore your options, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code and let our free quote search tool do the heavy lifting. Your insurance journey just got a whole lot simpler. But wait, there's still more evidence that backs up the whole customer satisfaction story. Numbers don't lie. And according to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, NAIC, American Family turns out fewer complaints compared to your average car insurance company. It's rocking the lowest number of complaints among the major players, with just an NAIC index of 0.15, which implies that it receives fewer complaints than one would anticipate given its size. The company has also achieved an overall customer satisfaction score of 831 in J.D. Power's 2023 U.S. Auto Insurance Study. This impressive rating spans across 4 regions, and it's not just good. It's above average in 3 out of those 4 regions. Talk about standing out in the crowd. So if you're looking for a car insurance company that you can trust, American Family's customer service reputation is extremely encouraging. With top-notch customer service and a rock-solid reputation, they've earned their stripes. Head over to FreeAdvice.com to find and compare insurance rates from top companies like American Family. Now, let's dive into the numbers and uncover the scoop on how much American Family car insurance will set you back. Your age, marital status, driving history, credit score, and even your zip code all play a role in determining those car insurance rates. Fortunately, with American Family, having poor credit doesn't mean waving goodbye to your hard-earned dollars, too. With American Family auto insurance, you're looking at $203 a month if your credit is on the rocks. Bump that up to fair credit, and you're down to $136 a month. If you're rocking that solid, good credit score, you earn those sweet savings and are charged only $116 monthly for full coverage car insurance. Good credit will be good to your wallet. For a precise peek into your potential rates, fire up that online quote calculator or have a good old chat with an agent. We've got your back at FreeAdvice.com. Just hit up the free search toolbar, pop in that zip code of yours, and watch as tailored insurance options unfold before your eyes. Because when it comes to making insurance decisions easy, we're your trusty sidekick. Let's continue to break down the real talk on American Family car insurance rates. For any senior drivers, American Family offers rates that are often 5 to 7% lower than the national average. For a 55-year-old male, you're looking at around $111 per month for a full coverage policy, and our female counterparts get an even better deal at $109 per month. Jump up to 60 years old and the rates continue to impress. $105 for the gentlemen and $104 for the ladies. And let's not forget our 65-year-old drivers. They're looking at monthly rates of $114 for the gents and $113 for the ladies on average. So what's the takeaway? American Family auto insurance for seniors is often quite affordable. If you're crunching the numbers and thinking, what's the best deal for me? That's where FreeAdvice.com comes in. Just enter your zip code into our free quote search toolbar, and voila, your tailored insurance options show up in no time. Let's wrap up this review with the real talk on American Family insurance. The discounts that can put some extra cash back in your pocket. American Family knows how to sprinkle some savings magic onto their policyholders. Check out these sweet discounts they've got in their arsenal. American Family auto insurance discount options include its multi-vehicle discount, multi-policy discount, loyalty discount, good student discount, away at school discount, and the early bird discount. The company also rewards safety equipment in your vehicle and offers defensive driver discounts to reward you for being responsible behind the wheel. Keep that good driving record, and you'll score a good driving discount too. Know Your Drive and Teen Safe Driver with American Family are all about using technology to your advantage and rewarding safe driving habits. These discounts can shave off a chunk from your car insurance premium. We're talking up to 30% in some cases. Still, it's important to shop around and compare car insurance rates from multiple companies. Visit FreeAdvice.com to compare car insurance quotes and see which company works best for you. And there you have it, the lowdown on American Family car insurance. If you're ready to turn those insights into action, head over to FreeAdvice.com, compare quotes, explore options from various providers, and make your insurance journey a breeze. But wait, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We've got a treasure trove of insurance wisdom coming your way. Now, if you've had hand-on experience with the American Family Insurance Company, drop us a comment below. Share your story because your insights could be just the help someone's looking for. And are you looking for more insurance intel? Check out our videos on the general car insurance and the comprehensive review on progressive car insurance. Trust me, watching these is like having an insurance guide at your fingertips. Learn the ins and outs, pros and cons, and pick the perfect provider for you. Share this video with your friends or family who are on the hunt for a new car insurance policy. You never know. American Family might be just the game changer they've been looking for. Until next time, stay insured and stay informed.